All right, XRP family, great stuff going on with XRP, up 12% on the 24-hour. And you can see on this chart in the last 18 days, XRP up 37.5+%. Now, I'm going to talk about in this chart here in just a minute what has happened and what has happened and how we did it. And this is a good thing. So stay tuned because I got a lot to share with you. We're going to talk about an XRP price prediction and kind of where we go from here as well in this video. So lots of good stuff. All right. So I need to share that with you. I have launched a stock channel. So it is in the link in the description below, right below this video. If you want to go check it out. If you're watching this on X, there's a link below this video as well. So everything I'm doing for crypto, I'm doing now in stocks. I've been investing in stocks since I was 21 years old. I'm definitely not an expert, but I've been around the block a few times. So if you like what I'm doing for you in crypto, the type of information I create and deliver for you, my goal with the stock channel is going to be the exact same thing, to help you find stocks and opportunities over there to make money. Like this right here, 5 winning tech stocks. That video I did yesterday actually has 9 winning tech stocks because there's some AI stocks in this video that are undervalued and that really no one's talking about right now. So that's highlighted in that video right there. So if you would do me a favor, go down in the description, link below, and then just go over there and subscribe to that channel. Kind of help me support it, get it off the ground. Pretty much a video or 2 coming every single day. I'm getting that off the ground, so I appreciate it if you could do that for me, if you are so inclined. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got going on here. So what I'm really talking about on the We Did It was a massive breakthrough where we broke through right here. We broke through that $2.60. This was a resistance level that had pretty much existed. Let me show this to you. Just kind of scale down this real quickly. That resistance level had existed since literally the first week of December, 221 plus days. That's how long we had been in this consolidating pattern, excuse me, and consolidating. Now, there were a few periods, obviously you can see them on the chart here, where we had broken out back early, but for the most part, again, that consolidation pattern was really all we had playing out there. And that's where we were. And so the fact that we have broken through right here and broken through that $2.60 level is a massive thing. And just look at this candle. I mean, you can see this candle. Look at this candle here. I mean, how strong that candle right there is, where that breakthrough candle, that's the what you see playing out, where we're up 12.9%. Just massively strong candle on that 1 day, on that 7 day, 23+%. We're on our way to $3, guys. We are absolutely on our way. Now, I always like to be a little bit cautiously optimistic, right? I don't want you to think everything is perfect and wonderful and it's going to continue for all times. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin hitting another new high, 118,856 in the last 24 hours. Okay, so we hit a high yesterday of like 116, and then now we're at 118.8. So what you have playing out here is a couple of major things. We're absolutely 100% starting to see FOMO kick in, fear of missing out. So we're seeing a tremendous amount of capital coming back in. If you look at on the 24-hour here, a couple of meme coins at the top, but SCI 25+%, Athena, Cardano up 20%, Algorand up 18%, Stellar. You're seeing Radium, 4, H bar, all running. And so what's playing out here is that you're starting to see capital. There was hundreds and hundreds of billions of dollars of capital locked up in stable coins, and it was all on the sidelines. So you're starting to see FOMO coming in, and it's coming into the major assets like we've talked about, right? SCI, Athena, Cardano, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum crossed back up over $3,000. It's just dropped back just a little bit, 29.95. So I'm talking to you kind of around like right here. See, 24-hour, 3,038. So, but Ethereum on the 1 day is up 8%. It's up 18% on the 7 day. So this is I think a factor of FOMO kicking in. People are coming back in because they're starting to see the market run. And when they start to see the market run, then they're like, okay, I got to get in. And then that makes the market run even more. I got to get in. So you're starting to see people wake up to the fact that, hey, Bitcoin and crypto and XRP and all that is starting to wake up again. And now you're seeing a tremendous amount of capital flowing into it. Now, of course, there are other factors at play here. There's the XRP ETF discussion. There is the Genius Act, the Clarity Act. There is Trump putting up a tweet 2 days ago that said, crypto's on fire, the S&P's on fire. So, we've got a leader out there who knows how to kind of keep people engaged and rallying in the crypto and the financial markets, things of that nature, which people do pay attention to that. And you've also got on the stock side, you've got a tremendous amount of positive momentum on stocks as well. So everybody's feeling very good about the financial markets, and in fact, ironically, it just came out in the last 24 hours that the United States is going to impose a 35% tariff on Canada. It's official now. It's coming. It's here, so to speak, and it's not slowing down anything. I mean, the market is booming, and stocks are doing well as well. And so this is what's interesting, is that people are now starting to put money back in. That's really what you see playing out here, and that's a good thing. Okay, and so that's what I'm excited about. I think we're going to continue to see this thing go up for a while. Again, I did a video yesterday talking about a bear trap possible. All that means is kind of a fake out. We might go down a little bit. If that happens, again, if you're a long-term value investor in XRP, don't worry about that. Take that opportunity to buy the dip. Because now, I was telling you guys to buy it at $2 when we were down at $2. Hopefully some of you guys took that and bought, and now you're in pretty significant profit there. But, still buying at these levels, which by the way, guys, I will. Excuse me, still have a chest cold. I will continue to buy, because I'm looking at that value from an XRP price prediction. When I see, XRP go to $5, $10, still buying it at $2.76 is still a good deal relative to where it's going to be 6 months, a year, so forth from here. Okay. So that's really what I wanted to convey to you on that front. All right. So, but the big news is that we did break through this massive resistance level of $2.60 with a massive candle. Like, we're not looking back here. Okay. So that's really good stuff. Hopefully that's in our rear view mirror, in the XRP price prediction of $5, $10, if not more by the end, $10 or more by the end of the fourth quarter, 2025 is a good thing. This is happening a little bit sooner than I thought it would, which is why I'm kind of attributing. Some of you may want to blast me in the comments. That's fine. I'm attributing a lot of this to FOMO now, because people are starting to go. You got people that are seeing 118,000, 275, 277, for XRP. And they're like, I got to get in. I got to get in. I'm missing out. I got to get in, and that's what's happening. So, all right. So, yeah, good stuff. I just wanted to kind of make you aware of that and let you guys know that that was something I was watching for us. I was watching to kind of see how we break out of that and how that plays out. So, making you aware, as I always do right here, got my trading indicator that 18 days ago basically said it was time to buy XRP, and we're up 40%. So $2,000 bought here and not even sold yet, you had already made $800 in profit. Okay, if you had done that. And so, like XLM, there's a buy alert 9 days ago, 46%, $1,000 bought here, so not even sold yet, you had already made $463 in profit. Bitcoin gave a buy alert right here 18 days ago, 18% up. Ethereum gave a buy alert here 17 days ago, 35+%. You want to use it on stocks? You can. Here's Netflix. This is Netflix. Buy here, sell, buy, sell in 90 days, 58+% up. This is software that literally costs you about $1.15 a day to use. That's it. That's all it is. By the way, you can take it for a test drive because you got a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you have zero risk in this equation. You can try for 30 days. You don't like it, you cancel and get a refund. The quarterly option is the cheapest with that discount code down there in the link. The link's below this video to go check this out. If you're watching this on X, the link's below this video as well. And also, let me show you, we launched a week or so ago a massive support community. It is a Discord community, a private community. We have live training. So you can see next week we have a X1 algo trading and introduction. By the way, all these classes are recorded for you so you can watch them later. We have a live training at 12 o'clock. The guy leading this is amazing. He is can help you get everything set up. This is how you set up the trading and real-time alerts and all that, because that's what's cool is the software will actually give you alerts. So you can have literally a pop-up come in on your iPhone or your Android or your computer that says, buy here, sell here. It will tell you to do it. Okay. So like literally you could add alert pop-up, say it's time to buy XRP, and boom, now you're up 40%. Okay. So that's as simple as that. All right. So everything in this Discord is here to help to support you. Got a great community here. People in here all day long talking to each other and all that kind of stuff, helping each other. You get trade ideas, lots of good stuff going on here. So links right down there. Go check her out and get it. And as always, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. See you.